Once again, welcome everybody. Thank you all so much for being here. This is our brand new affiliate opportunity overview. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to spend the next 15 or 20 minutes with me here, and I'm super excited to be your presenter here with us today. We're recording this so you have an opportunity to share it with everyone. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we are going to get started. Okay? Let's roll together. All right. Once again, welcome to the Nowsite Affiliate Opportunity. A little bit about us and our products. We have a worldwide $1 trillion opportunity ahead of us. So get rid of any distractions that you might have. Get super close to your screen if you need to. You don't want to miss a second of this. We're going to start with our first Nowsite Life product, where we help everyone achieve their goals and improve their lives with a team of dedicated experts. And of course, with our flagship product, Nowsite Marketing, we help independent business owners succeed with a complete AI-powered online marketing platform. If you're excited about Nowsite Life, if you're excited about Nowsite Marketing, what I want you to do is throw a 1 in the chat right here. But today, we are going to learn about our Nowsite affiliate opportunity, where we help everyone earn additional income by sharing Nowsite products. This affiliate opportunity is amazing. It's huge because life is a business to consumer product. With marketing, you have a business to business product, and everyone that you know can be a customer. Even the person that you're thinking of right now. Is it Susie? Is it Sally? Is it Joey? Who do you know that owns a business or wants to take control of their life and achieve their goals? They can be a customer with us here at Nowsite. We are worldwide with over 25,000 customers in over 130 countries. And today we're going to talk about the 7 ways that you can earn with us here at Nowsite with 5 residual income streams. Residual income is that money that keeps on coming in month after month after month for work that you did months before. So you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the 7 ways that you can earn here with 5 residual income streams. We're going to talk a little bit about our product pricing and our business volume structure, right? So our dollar volumes, what people spend, correspond to what we call BV points throughout the plan. With our marketing product, we have our $87 entrepreneur plan. It's our most popular product, and you get 35 BV points, right? Every single time you sign up a new customer with marketing. If they come in on the small business plan, you get 67 points. If they come in with the marketing agency plan, you get 130 points. And with our life product, we have that $87 gold plan. You get 25 points, okay? You can also have your customer bundle and save, because on the road to marketing, you also have to reach your goals in life. And it's great to have both products with here through Nowsite. So a customer paying $87 for the marketing entrepreneur plan then goes and purchases the $87 gold life plan. That entrepreneur plan for marketing is reduced by $30 to $57. They get a $30 discount, right? But another 25 BV is added. So when your customer bundles and saves, remember, I said the $87 marketing plan was worth 35 points. And then I said the gold life plan was worth 25 points. And you can go get a single customer in marketing or in life, but when they bundle, you get 50 points added to your compensation plan. Let's go through right now the 7 ways that you can earn with us here at Nowsite. We'll go into detail on each one of these ways. The first way is with our quick start bonus. This is a one-time bonus. Our 100 club and 200 club is a residual bonus type. We also have our monthly residual that everyone loves. Big money added into the monthly residual, and that, of course, is a residual bonus type. We have our rank advancement bonus that you get one time for helping others achieve their goals and earn income with us. We also have our check match that is residual, our infinity bonus It's amazing that's residual as well, and our global pool that is residual. So are you ready to get started and learn about the 7 ways that you can earn with us here at Nowsite? Make sure that you put ready in the chat right now, because we're going to go through each and every way that you can earn with us here at Nowsite. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 1. This is a quick start bonus. So you earn $30 on every new personal customer that you sign up. Every new personal customer. So remember, in the beginning I said, do you know Susie who can use this opportunity, or who has goals or needs a marketing system, right? $30. Sally, $30. Jeff, $30. Clyde, $30. Every time you sign up a new personal customer, you get a one-time $30 quick start bonus. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 2. This is residual. So you have the 100 club and the 200 club. So when you sell 100 BB, remember I told you each package corresponds to BB points. So when you sell 100 BB through your levels 1 and 2, that's your personal customers and affiliates, plus your affiliates' personal customers and affiliates. So your level 1 and your level 2, you get $100 residual per month. Now, that's our 100 club, but you can also join us in the 200 club. Because when you sell 200 BV worth of products from level 1 and 2, you earn $200 per month. The only thing that you need to do in order to qualify for the 100 club or the 200 club is have at least 3 active personal signups. Everyone knows 3 people that can use more marketing for their business or who wants to reach their goals. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 3. This is our monthly residual from levels 1 and 2 here, right? I'm going to say it again, a little slower. Your personal customers and affiliates, plus your affiliates, personal customers and affiliates. All of the volume, every bit of it, goes into this portion of the compensation plan. So 400 BB, that can come from the life product, that can come from the marketing product. You earn $400 in monthly income. What is your goal? Pick it out right now. Where do you want to be? You have a clear path right to earning the money. So 3,000 BB, $3,000 per month. 10,000 BB, $10,000 per month. Hey, if you're sitting here and you're saying, hey, I want to reach for the moon, I want to reach for the stars, and you do over 20,000 BV, you get $20,000 per month plus 0.75, right? Percent, or 0.75 for every bit of BV over 20,000. So there's no cap. There's no cap on this portion of our compensation plan. So if you did marketing only, really pay attention here. If you were selling marketing only, right? 400 BB, $400 per month, just in this portion, right? That would be 11.4 people. I don't know if you know 0.4 people, 12 people. But if you sold marketing and life, where you get 50 BB for that bundle, that's just 8 people. 8 people, and that's from levels 1 and 2. Your payment would be $400 per month. This is a huge opportunity where both products go into this monthly residual here. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 4. This is our rank advancement bonus. We want to give you a bonus every time you help others achieve their goals and achieve their income goals here with us. So let's say you help 2 people get into the 100 club, right? You get a one-time bonus of $200. Do you want to do more? Do you want to help more people? Well, if you get 8 people into the 100 club, you get a bonus of $800. Let's say you do this all in 1 month. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum. You get 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you get just this one bonus? No, you get the 200, the 400, the 600, the $800. So the possibilities are endless. You just have to know what goal you want to reach and get out there and reach it. And the only way to do that is by helping others achieve their goals, right? You can go ahead and shoot for the moon, shoot for the stars. That sapphire here 8 people earning $400 per month. If you saw that last slide, you know exactly what to do to get your people there. These are one-time bonus payments when the rank increases and is maintained for 2 months, and anybody can do this here at Nowsite. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 5, because we're still not done yet. You want to rank advance and help others, and you of course get that one-time bonus, but you also achieve a check match with us here at Nowsite. Let's say you reach silver. You get 15% of a check match from your level 1. Platinum, let's say you reach that platinum goal, you get 15% of a check match on level 1, 10% on level 2, 10% on level 3. And you can continue to earn deeper and deeper and deeper in levels as you continue to rank advance up and help more people earn income. You earn a percentage of monthly residual at each level in your enrollment tree based on your rank. This could be amazing. You want to help others earn with us here at Nowsite. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 6, because we don't just stop there in the levels that you can earn from. You can earn an infinity bonus. That's a percentage of your total enrollment tree revenue. Your total, slow down, your total enrollment tree revenue to infinity. And this is earned based on your rank. So if your rank is Sapphire, you earn 0.5% of revenue per customer. This is paid monthly. It's the net of revenue related to monthly residual and check match. Okay, Ruby, 1%, right, to infinity per customer. Diamond, 2%, Black Diamond and up, 3%. This infinity bonus, is going to make a lot of people really, really happy. If you are happy about this infinity bonus, what I want you to do is drop happy here in the comment section, because this is just another amazing way that you can earn with us here at Nowsite. Let's talk about compensation opportunity number 7. We have a global pool, and the details of this global pool will be revealed during our official launch in January of 2021, and you'll earn a percentage of the total company BV. And it's earned based on your rank. So you want to run to that rank as fast as you can. And it's eligible after 6 months at rank in the calendar year. Those were the 7 ways that you can earn with us here at Nowsite with 5 residual income opportunities. But let's talk about how you can get a quick and simple return on your investment today. Let's say you sign up for the Entrepreneur or Gold plan, that's $87. Your total investment was $87. You sign up 3 customers, you get that quick start bonus, right? That's $90 bonus. You are now in the 100 club, considering the BB that you have. So you get $100 residual, right? Your income earned is $190 total. Then, if 2 of your customers reach the 100 club, you earn an additional $200 bonus. That's $390, a 350% ROI. So what you want to do is get your customer and ask them, hey, do you want a quick and simple return on your investment? Here's how you do it. Do you want to earn residual income with us here at Nowsite? This is your clear path to residual income. The world has changed. And when we look back in 5 years, we're going to realize that there were 10 amazing new companies that led us to a brighter future. We here at Nowsite are leading the way to that bright future. This is a future of real opportunity for us all. I want to encourage you to get back to the person that invited you with us here today and learn more about Nowsite. And we want to be the first to welcome you to Nowsite. Thank you all so much for being here. Looking forward to seeing you all on the other side. Bye-bye, everybody.